I'm going to show you how to start a meeting in the Google Meet app. First, you start off by going to meet.google.com. If you are not already logged in, you should log into your bsec.bard.edu address at this point. Click on Join or Start a Meeting. Give it a meeting name that is descriptive. On this screen, you're just preparing for entering the meeting by making sure your camera and audio is working. You can tell that the audio is working because as I speak, these bars are moving. On this screen, you might get a message from your browser or your computer asking for permission to use the camera and the microphone. Definitely click yes or accept to whatever comes up. So if you see yourself, it's a good time now to click Join Now. And now we're actually in the meeting. This is the meeting. And there are two ways to add people. Way number one is by clicking on Copy Joining Info. And that copies the highlighted text right here. It's a direct link to the meeting that anyone can click. And it's a dial-in phone number if any students happen to want to use their phone to connect. You can email this information out to anyone that you want to have join the meeting. The other way is to directly add people. I'm going to show you that version because here's where you'd want to kind of type in the 20 or so 20 to 30 emails of the people in your class. Instead of typing them in one at a time, here's my suggestion. I switch over to a Google Classroom window. Now I'm just trying to get the names of the emails of the students. And Google Classroom has a nice functionality where you can go to the people page and select all of the students and click on email. And this brings you to a Gmail window that you're for preparing to write a message to all your students. Now my goal is not to write a message, it's actually to come in here, click on the BCC field, which is where all the emails are, and I select them all with Command A, or on a Windows machine it would be Control A. Then I can copy them with Command C, and I come back to my Google Meet window and paste them with Command V. And you can see now I've got all 20-some students in my class that are now ready to kind of be invited to the meeting. I'm not going to click Send Invite because that might stress them out.